Okay, I'm going to make a video here, and it's about the belt line slash window gaskets on the Cavalier convertible. I'm not sure if this would apply to the sedans. The convertibles have windows with no frames on them. So anyways, the problem with the car is being 38 years old is that the rubber window wiper is literally crispy critters. So, you know, it wasn't keeping anything out of rain out of the door or anything like that. So here's the belt line removed from the car. I've actually got all 4 belt lines off. There's 2 for the back window, and then these are the door ones. And there is the old gasket. It's felt here, and then it used to have the wiper thing, which I just it's all broken off along there anyways. So here's I've been removing this is where it's really a chore, is glued on there, and I still haven't found a really good way. I've been scraping it with a chisel to try to get it off. I did on the smaller pieces. I did get it all off, but I mean, you know, so these little clips here, they're helping to hold it on, so they need to be removed. That's no problem. So anyways, I did find this is what I bought out of San Diego from a company called Rubber the Right Way. There's the number, the part number, weather strip belt line pair. Okay, this is it here. There's the profile that was the closest to what I can get. It's not exactly the same as this profile, but it's going to work. It's going to work because it'll go on here, and I can pop rivet it on some of these smaller cutouts that are on the door ones here. By the way, I've just got a ruler wedged in under here. I put it into the vise, so I put a block of wood in here. There, take that out. I'm holding it in the vise in order to do all this scraping and everything like that, and protecting it and whatnot. So these are going to get repainted. This is the passenger. Yeah, this is the passenger side one right here, because the weather stripping continues and goes up to the mirror. Okay, that's another piece that I didn't want to take off. This one here, it's actually been broken off, as you can see. So I just have to make sure I measured this. It's 5 3/4, and then add it to here when I. Anyways, this piece has been cut to fit the shorter belt lines there. So yeah. Anyways, I just thought I'd do this. I mean, I've seen some posts on the Facebook site, guys wanting to know where can we get new window wiper gaskets. Mine are all cracked and breaking, and well, I think I found it here. I'm going to have to glue this on as well, but I've got some good glue, so it's glued on. It was stapled on as well, at least on the short ones. I haven't seen any staples on these door ones yet, but there was on the short rear window ones. There was actually staples through this thing. I haven't seen a staple yet. Anyway, just those clips. Anyway, so that's my little project here for you know, farting around on stuff, trying to get this right. There's a new roof going on the car in a few weeks. The old roof's been removed already. The car is in my nephew's shop, so it's nice and dry in there and a good place to work on the top. And then this is the second step to keeping Mother Nature out, other than the top. So if the windows leak, well, that's not very good either. So this is the yeah, that's what I'm doing with the belt lines, anyways. And just remember, you can get something that's going to work. The guys, when you phone this company up, there's a guy named Robert there. He's really helpful. He will send you samples if you want to pay for the shipping on the samples, which I did. And then I got to choose from, I think it was 5 different samples I got. And I chose the one that worked the best for the belt line here. So yeah, so there is the solution. Okay.